Oh my gosh.
Visions of evacuations from the devastating campfire in Paradise, California
Put him in the back.
still sit fresh in Tara Morrow's mind.
Yeah, it's being evacuated.
It was November 2018. 2 of 3 homes on Tara's family compound burned to the ground. As Tara and her dad sift through the leftover ashes of their homestead,
There's guilt. There's nothing but guilt.
emotions run high.
It's hard to keep positive a lot of times.
Paradise, a place just as beautiful as its name, is now just a ghost town.
The total devastation of everybody's gone, and it feels like the frontier. So
It's very quiet. We're not used to that.
But sounds of chainsaws and construction echo in the distance.
I would like to rebuild. I feel very passionate about it.
The sound of progress is music to Tara's ears, an array of hope as wrecking crews level out her property to make way for a new paradise.
I like the idea of being a part of a process of something to recover.
Tara has had 5 generations of family live right here on this property. Obviously, she can't stay here for now, but she'd like to come back and keep her family together. Fireproof material just might be what keeps Tara's family intact.
This is twice as hot as a normal wildfire would be.
Contractor Corey Averill is working with architect J. Paul Asaro to rebuild Tara's homes. They're using insulated concrete forms instead of wood.
It's hundreds of times stronger than a wood structure, and it's completely fireproof.
It holds the concrete so in a way that reduces costs.
And that helps struggling survivors like Tara.
You don't have to be a framer to put these blocks up, so they're going to help put the blocks up, and we're going to all build her house with the blocks.
Aside from Asaro's building designs, it's his duty as the architect to determine how much rebar and concrete filler is needed and what type to use. Frustrations are also a factor.
It will take longer in the plan review process. Waiting and waiting and waiting, and so for them it's very emotionally challenging during that process.
In Paradise, finding resources is another big challenge.
The subcontractors who come in have to live someplace, and they have to drive from far away, and so therefore we've got increased costs.
So we feel good about this, what we're doing. We're helping.
While Tara Morrow is concerned that no one else will build, being a light shining through the soot and grime is worth the risk.
I am very positive that it's going to be beautiful, and I hope it encourages other people to build too. Just keep holding on.
For the Peel by DCA, I'm Sherry Gyro.